Elon Musk speak openly and honestly about his work toward creating a better future. AI is advancing rapidly, both in hardware and software, and when it comes to data. The new frontier here is synthetic data. We take the entire internet, all books ever written and interesting videos, and distill them into tokens, essentially bits of information. AI has now exhausted the cumulative sum of human knowledge to train itself. This milestone happened just last year. It's pretty wild to think that AI has now run out of all human knowledge to train on. Elon Musk mentioned that we are building the largest AI center on the planet. Over the next few years, AI will be able to handle any cognitive task. This raises a big question. What will we all do? In about 3 or 4 years, AI will be able to do nearly any cognitive task that doesn't involve physical matter. AI has run out of human knowledge to train itself on, which is why it needs synthetic data, artificially generated data that mimics the real world. Secondly, Elon Musk has already built the largest AI center, and it's up and running today. Not many people know that. In the coming years, AI will improve life by automating routine tasks, giving people more time for creative and fulfilling activities. It will revolutionize healthcare with faster, more accurate diagnoses, improve education through personalized learning, and enhance transportation with smarter, safer systems. While these changes will require us to adapt, they will also open up new opportunities for jobs, innovation, and collaboration. The future looks promising as technology helps amplify human potential, making our world more interconnected and efficient. From the moment humanity first used tools, from knives to wheels, telescopes to steam engines, AI is poised to become one of the most powerful tools ever developed, enhancing our capabilities across various fields. There's a risk it could lead to catastrophic consequences, but it might not. That should reassure you. AI may need robots and self-driving cars to truly reach its potential. As Musk mentioned, the improvement in self-driving technology is exponential. By the second quarter of this year, self-driving cars will outperform human drivers in terms of accident rates. And from there, improvements will continue at a rapid pace. Ultimately, Elon Musk believes that self-driving cars will be 10 times safer than human drivers and eventually 100 times safer, to the point where they simply won't crash. This transformation is happening this year with Tesla's software update. In fact, the same car can become much smarter at driving with just a software update. It's a huge milestone that self-driving cars will outperform human drivers statistically within the next 3 months. Each year, 1.2 million lives are lost in traffic accidents globally, and between 15 to 50 million people are injured. Autonomous vehicles will save millions of lives over time. If everything goes right, they'll make travel much more affordable and stress-free, while providing the safety and comfort of an entertainment options like Waymo, but they are limited to just a few cities in the US. Tesla's approach is different. It's a much harder path, but ultimately more powerful. Tesla's software is based purely on AI and vision, without relying on expensive sensors like LiDAR or radar. While some people criticize other solutions like Waymo's, Musk argues that Tesla's approach is much more adaptable. Tesla's system doesn't need to know the area beforehand. It could drive to a location it has never been to, even on an alien planet, and still work. That's happening now. Tesla has its software roadmap ready for the future. So it's clear that in just 3 months, self-driving cars will exceed human driving safety standards. As the improvement rate continues, self-driving cars could become up to 100 times safer than human drivers, significantly lowering the risk of accidents. If data confirms this, autonomous vehicles could save countless lives and free up valuable time that would otherwise be spent traveling. They could even run on sustainable energy indefinitely. For those who can't drive, won't drive, or don't want to spend money on car ownership, self-driving cars like Tesla's Cybercab will be a game changer. Autonomous vehicles already exist in some regions. Autonomous cars will offer people the freedom to do whatever they desire while on the road. The possibilities are limitless, whether it's reading, working, or relaxing during travel. The question of when personal robots will become a reality is on many minds, with the concept of having a home robot like C-3PO or R2-D2 seeming more plausible every day. The idea of humanoid robots being the biggest product in history is a bold one. It's expected that every person will want at least one robot, with some possibly desiring more. This could lead to a massive industry, with billions of humanoid robots being produced. Estimates suggest a ratio of 3 to 5 robots per human, meaning up to 30 billion humanoid robots could be in circulation. Humanoid robots hold immense potential, as they would be able to function in a human-designed world, carrying out tasks with AI-powered brains that process information far faster and more accurately than humans. Their ability to work efficiently and handle multiple tasks simultaneously would make them incredibly valuable. With AI and humanoid robots filling the workforce, the economy could undergo drastic changes. Instead of the concept of universal basic income, the future might involve a universal high income, with everyone having access to more than enough money. This increased wealth could come from robots taking over labor-intensive jobs, boosting productivity and economic growth. The surplus from this efficiency could then be redistributed, giving people a higher standard of living. In terms of timeline, Elon Musk suggests that Tesla's Optimus robot, which is currently the most advanced humanoid robot in existence, will be tested in Tesla factories soon. The company aims to produce thousands of these robots this year, with plans to ramp up production to 50,000 to 100,000 robots the following year. This ambitious growth could lead to an exponential increase in humanoid robots, changing the future of work and daily life. The goal of producing 500,000 robots in just 3 years is an ambitious one, but Tesla's track robots this year, scaling production tenfold next year, and then increasing that number tenfold again the year after. Tesla's manufacturing capabilities are unparalleled, and their execution levels are high. They are the only company capable of handling such large-scale robot production. Record shows they have the manufacturing expertise to make it happen. This plan includes building several thousand robots. Other companies like Boston Dynamics might struggle to replicate this feat. Tesla's ability to vertically integrate, its startup mentality, and its world-class product design and manufacturing processes make it possible for them to succeed in producing millions of humanoid robots. If someone like Elon Musk, who has already revolutionized space travel, brain-computer interface technology, self-driving cars, and now humanoid robots, is behind this initiative, it's safe to assume that his goal is to maximize value for society and contribute to the world in meaningful ways. If you're interested in Tesla or other cars and want to stay up to date with the latest innovations in the automotive world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We cover everything from electric vehicles to cutting-edge technologies transforming the way we drive. Stay ahead of the curve and join us for exciting updates on the future of transportation.